Hello viewers, welcome to IT System Admin and Information Technology Learning tutorial channel for you. Today in this tutorial I am going to show you how to open File Explorer in this PC on Windows 11 computer. Sometimes it becomes very important for you, so don't forget to watch full video. To open File Explorer in this PC on Windows 11 computer, go to File Explorer. Look, by default File Explorer is opening in Home. Now I want to configure File Explorer to open in this PC. Click on three-dot icon to see more. Click on Options. In folder option, click on the General tab, and the first option is Open File Explorer 2. Now Home is selected. Click on the drop down here and select this PC, and now click on Apply. Click on OK. Close the File Explorer. Now open File Explorer again. Look, File Explorer is opening in this PC right now. This is all for today. Hope this tutorial is helpful for you. Keep watching for next tutorial. Thank you very much.